Beijing China Guide na suitable for preggy moms, senior citizens, or family with small children. So kung magta-travel ka sa Beijing, China anytime soon, baka makatulong tong video ko. Top 6 spots na pwede nyong puntahan sa Beijing. So first, syempre walang iba kundi ang The Great Wall of China. Kasali lang naman to sa 7 Wonders of the World. Sobrang surreal and magnificent view of this massive man-made structure. Tataka kayo why I recommend it? Di ba siya mahirap puntahan? Well, sa totoo, hindi mahirap dito, especially when you will enter Juyong Pass. As in, pagkababa lang namin ng car, ito lang yung aakitin mo na stairs. And from this spot, pwede mo nang picturean ang magandang view ng Great Wall of China. Next is Olympic Stadium. Ito yung tinatawag nilang Bird's Nest. Dito ginanap yung 2008 and 2022 Olympics. Next, Wangfujing Walking Street. Pag naghahanap ka ng mga high-end brands, dito best mag-shopping. Next, Forbidden City. Ito yung world's largest palace. Ito tumira yung mga emperors dati. Bawal kang pumasok dito, kaya siya tinawag na Forbidden City. But nung 1925, ginawa na siyang Palace Museum. Next is Shanmen Ancient Street. Dito mo naman makikita yung touch ng old Beijing commercial life. Maraming shops at maraming food na pwede ninyong i-try. And lastly, ang personal favorite ng aking anak, itong Universal Studios Beijing. Guys, ito lang naman ang largest Universal Studios in the world. Dito mo lang makikita yung Kung Fu Panda Land at Transformers Metro Base na wala sa ibang Universal Studios. At dito mo rin makikita yung famous Decepticoaster ride. Kaya if you're planning a trip to Beijing soon, I hope nakatulong itong video na to. Kaya follow to know more. Thanks for watching! Woo!